get a time, back of the 122, back of the 3, at 3 grand, 255, negative 37 and a half, 4 grand, negative 2, negative 5, at 45, 47 and a half, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4. All right, ladies and gentlemen, my clerk just said it's struck 12 noon. It's actually 3 o'clock her time, but it's 12 noon out here, guys. So again, guys, we're ready to go, guys. She's ready to go. And without further ado, guys, we appreciate you being here on behalf of Manheim SoCal, guys. Welcome to our specialty sale right here. And we're going to kick off the sale, ladies and gentlemen, with lot number 1, which will be a 2019 Harley Sportster, guys. It's a 2019 model. What did it get for? As is, no arbitration. How much here? At $6,000. Now 1. I'm at 6 here. 100 to buy. Now I'm going to get 4,000. 4,100 at 441. I'm at 4,000 here. 100 to buy. Now 1. I'm at 4 here. 4,100 at 4,100 to buy. Now I'm going to get all through. Let's put it on a book. Let's put it on an offer, guys. $3,000. $3,100. $3,100 at 3,100. 31 here. Now 1. I'm at 3,000. Now 1. I'm at 3,000 here. Now 1. I'm going to get all done at $3,100. And now 200 to buy. 3,200 to buy. 2. I'm at 3,100 asking 2 at 3,200 now 33 3 I'm at 33 where now 3 here we go, guys. 33 don't wait long, you'll wait wrong at 33 anybody else at 3,200 to buy 3 now 3 now 4 I'm at 3,300 to buy 400 to buy 4 at 3,400 last call 33 offer 3,400 now 5 at 34 5 I'm at 34 5 offer $3,400 bidder number offer $3,400 bidder number 2406. Thank you. All right, here we go. Lot number 2 here. Here's a 21 Polaris, guys. Here we go. Third party marker, as is. What did we get for? And here we go. 25,250. I'm at 25 here. 250. Wait, 250. I'm at 25 here. Here we go. At 20,000. 250. 250. At 20,000 here. 250. I'm at 20,000 here. 250. At 20 here. 15,250. I'm at 15 here. 250. I'm at 15 here. 250 all in, all through. I'm at 15 here. 21 model now. 250. At 15 here. 250. I'm at 15 here. All done. Next one. All right, lot number 3 here. Here's a 19 Harley, guys. Sportster, guys. Here we go. As is. Here we go. At pick up at seller's lot. No arbitration. What did we get for? 8,000 now 1. I'm at 8 here. 100 by now 1. Now 1. At 8 here. All through. 5,000. Let's do that. Now 1 at 5,100 to buy now 1 now 1 I'm at 5 here now 1 here now 1 I'm at 5,000 here 100 to buy now 1 at 5 here all time buyer at $4,100, guys. Anybody else at $4,100? Half price on the motor at 41 here on the bike here now 1 I'm at 4 here now 1 all done going up from here. Yes or no? 441 at 4 here on here next one. All right, here we go. Lot number 4 here. Here's a 19 Polaris Ranger, guys. As is, no arbitration, third party marketer at 15,250. I'm at 15 here. All done. 250 at 10,250. I'm at 10 here. 250. I'm at 10,000 here. 250. Where 250 at Summer's right around the corner, guys. Here we go. And bit of buyer, how are you doing? And here we go. 8,000 8250. I'm at 8 here. 250. Where 250 going up from here at 8,250 now 5 at 85 87 now 9 now 250 and now 5 95 5 I'm at 9250 now 9500 all in all through at 9250. Anybody else at 95 5 now 5 and 9250 5 offer 9250. Thank you. Buyer number 638. Thank you. Mark, how are you doing? All right, good to see you, man. All right, here we go. And bit of buyer lot number 5 here. 21 Polaris, guys. As is, no arbitration, third party seller color. Here we go. And bit of how much here? It's got extra cage doors, and wheels and tires. 15,250. I'm at 15 here. 250. 8,000. 8250. And 8 here. 250. Going up from here, guys. 8,000. 8250. I'm at 8 here. 250. Where 250. And 8 here. 250. Now 5. I got 8250 on the floor. Internet, you're out now. 5. And 85. 5. At 8250 now. 5 here. Now 750 on the floor. Now 9. I got 8750 on the floor. Now 9. And now 9. Now 9. And now 9. Here we go. Yes or no internet. And 8750 now 9. Now done. I'm going to put it on an offer. At 8750 now 9. Thank you. And now 9 here. All damn and offer 8750. Offer 8750. Offer 8750. Put it on buyer number 2402. Thank you. All right, internet guys, just please, and we want you to be there, and I'm trying to give you every opportunity to bid, guys, and get plenty of time before I run out of air. All right. All right, here we go. Lot number 6 here. Here's a 22 Harley, guys, Sportster, guys, as is, no arbitration. And pick up at the dealer, guys, right here in Ontario. At 10,250. I'm at 10,000 here, 250. I'm at 10 here, 250. I'm at 10 here, 5,000, 5250. I'm at 5,000 here, 250. I'm at 5,000 here, 250. Where 250. I'm at 5 now, 250. At 5 here, 250. Where 250. At 5 here, the last time I was on a bike, I had training wheels on it, so you tell me what it's worth. At 3,000, 3250. At 3, 3250. At 3,000 here, 3250 now. 5, 750. At 35 here, 750. I'm at 3,500. 750 now. 4, now 250. I'm at 4,000 here, 250. At 4 here, 250. Well done, all through. Don't wait. Here we go. I'm at 4,000 here, 250. And thank you. 4,000 here, 250. Offer 4,000. Buyer number 1604. Thank you. All right, here we go. Number 7 here. Here is a 21 Harley, guys. As is, no arbitration. Here we go. Miles are exact, gentlemen. Here we go. And how much here? What did we get for? And 9,000. Pick up the dealer, guys. Here we go. And 8,250. And 8 here. 250. And I'll do 3,000. Let's go up from there. 3,250. At 3 here. 3,250. I'm at 3 here. 250. We're now 5. 35. And 3,500. Now 35. 5. And 3250 now. 5. Asking 5. Last call. And 3250. We get 5. 5 here. 5. And 32. AJ, look at the crowd we got. And now 5. And 3250 now. 5. Hold on. 750. And 35. 750 now. 4. And 4 here. 4. Where 4. All done. And 3750. Last call. 4. Now 250. I'm at 4 down here. Auto Pros is in. The rest are out. 250. I'm at 4,000 here, 250, and anybody else? All done. Offer 4,000. Bidder to offer 4,000. Offer 4,000, guys. Here we go. 2281. Thank you. All right, here we go. Number 8 here, and here we go. 16 Cam Commander. Salvage history, guys, as is. No arbitration. What do we get for? And here we go. 10,250. I'm at 10 here. 250. Where 250. I'm at 10 down here. 5,000. 5250. I have 5 here. 250. Where 250. And 250 here. We got 3 on the floor there, Jamie. Now 250. I got 3,000 live. Now 250. And 3250. Now 5. 750. And 3750. Now 4. I'm on the floor. 3754. 250. I got 4,250. Now 5. And 45. 5. Now 750. I got 45 bid on the floor. 4750. Yes or no? And 4750. Now 5. Now 250. I got 5,000. You're out in the back row. And 5,000. Now 250. 5 here. 250. And 5,000. Yes or no? 250. Now 5. And 55. I got 250 on the floor, guys. 55 internet. And 5250 on the floor. Now 5. And 55. You're still out. Do you want to bid 5? And 55. Now 750. I got 55 on the floor. 750. I got 55 on the floor. 750 Millennium. And 55. 750. I got 55 here. 750. All in. All done. And 55 here. All done. All 3 internet bidders. You're all trying to get in. I got 55 on the floor. 5750 if you please. Yes or no? All in. All through. Offer 50. $5,500. Put it on buyer number 2402. 2402. Thank you. All right, here we go. Number 9 here. Here's an 18 Harley, guys. As is, no arbitration. 2 miles unknown. $138 DMB fee. Put a bit of for. And bit of buyer, bit of 10,000. At 10 here, 250. 10 here, bit of all damn, bit of 250. At 10 here, bit of buyer, here we go. 8,000. 8250. At 8 here, bit of 250. I'm at 8 here, bit of 250. We're all damn, bit of 5,000. I'll do that. 5250. At 5 here, now 250. I'm at 5,000. Now 250. At 5 here, bit of 250. We're bit of 250. I'm at 5 here, bit of 250. Bit of 250. And all damn, bit of all done. Okay, it's true miles unknown. 3,000. 3250. 3,000. 3250. 3250. At 3 here, 3250. Now 2, now 250. I got 3 on the internet asking 250. At 3 down here, 250. Where 250. I'm at 3 down here, 250. Offer 3,000. Bidder number 212 on the offer. All right, here we go. Number 10 here, 22 Wells trailer, guys. Here we go. Third party seller. Here we go. What did we get for? At 7,250. I'm at 7 here, 250. Where here we go. At 4,000. I got on the floor asking 250. Here we go. At 4,250. And now 5. Now 750. I got 45 bid. Now 750. Now 5 here. 5. And now 250. I got 5,000 on the floor. Now 250. Now 5. At 55 here. 5. If you like her now 5. Thank you. At 250. Now 5 here. 5 here. 5. 5250. 5. 5. 5. Offer 5250. Bidder number 638. Thank you. All right. Here we go. All right, here we go. This is number 1 again. Oh, different lane. That's right. Okay, now we're on 47. That's right. We're skipping to different lanes. All right, here we go. Yep, thought I was done. All right, here we go. Here's a 2020 ATF Surf Ghost, guys. Here we go. Bit of iron. Now we're on the boats, guys. Here we go. Bit of iron. 85,000. 85. 86 here. At 85 here. 86 here. Bit of iron. At 85 here. What do you want to get for, guys? Bit of iron. 50,000. 51,000. At 50 here. Now 1. At 50 here. Now 1. All damn. Now 1. At 50 here. I'll put her on the books. 40,000. 41,000. At 40 here. 41,000. At 40 here on the floor. Now 1. At 41. 2. At 42. Now 3. Now 4. Now 6 here. 7. 8. 9. And now 50. Now 1. At 50 here. 1. 2. 52. 2. At 51 here. I know if I started low enough, I get some action. At 51 here. 52. I'm at 51 here. 2. I get 51 here. You want to get 51.5, Mark? 51.5. Okay. At 51 here. 5. All done. Now 2. Now 5. Now 3. And now 5. Now 4 here. Now 5. And now 5. Now 55. At 55. Now 55. 5. 6 here. At 56 here. 6 here. 56,000. At 55. 5. 56,000. At 56 here. Get all through. All done. Now 6. Now 5. And now 7. Now 7 here. 57. At 57. Thank you. At 57 down. Here we go. Now 5. And now 8 here. 58 here. Where? At 58 here. 8 here. 8 here. All done. Now 5. Now 9. 59. 9. 9. At 59. 9. Now 9. Now 9. Thank you. At 59. 9. 9. Last call. 59. 9. Offer 58,500. Bidder number 2410. Thank you. All right. Here we go. Number 2 here. 47-2. Here is a 1990 fountain boat, guys. Here we go. As is. Here we go. Dry docked. And here we go. 2,000. Now 1. I'm at 2,000 here. $500. $600. At 500. 600. At 500. 6 here. 7 here. Now 7. I'm at 600 here. Now 700. For no money at all, you can become a boat owner. At 607. At 7. 7. Now 7. I'm at 607. All 3. 7. Offer $600. Bidder number 2439. Thank you. All right, number 47-5 here. Here's an 04 Bayliner. As is third-party marketer. Here we go. 11,250. I'm at 11 here. 250. Here we go. At 8,000. 8250, guys. At 8. Honey, how are you? At 8 here. Not 250. I'm at 8 here. All down. 250. I'm at 8 here. 250. Let's get on the books, guys. 5,000. 5250. At 5 here. 5250. At 5 here. 250. At 5 5 here. Summer's right around the corner. You better have a look. At 5 here, 52.50. At 5 here, 3,000, 32.50. At 3 here, 32.50. I'm at 3,000 here, 32.50, 250. I'm at 3,000 here, 250. At 3 here, and all done. Is it worth $2,000, guys? Let's do that. I'll throw in the trailer for free. 2,000, 21, 21, 22.50. Now 5, 25, 27.50, 27.50. Now 3, now 2.50, 32.50, 32.50. At 3, 2.50. Now 5, 35, 35, 35, 35, 35. You guys are the professionals. I'm just the mouthpiece here, but it looks cheap to me. 35, 35, 5, 5, 5, 5, at 35, 5, 5, 5, 32.50, all done. Put it on the offer at 35, 5, 5, 5, 35, offer 32.50. Thank you. Bidder number 2440. All right, here we go. Number 6 here. A 94 boat, guys. Here we go. And boat and trailer, guys, as is. No attrition. Here we go. $1,000. Now 11. I'm at 1,000 here. 11 here. 11 here. Here we go. At $200. $300. I'm at 200. 300. And now 400. Now 500. 6 here. At 500. I got asking 600. At 600. 5 here. 600. I'm at 500 buyer. Last call. Yes or no, gentlemen. At 600 buyer. Internet. Yes or no. 600. At 500 buyer. 6 here. 6 here. 6. Offer $500. Bidder number 1604. Thank you. All right. Here we go. Number 7 here. Here's an 85 4 wins, guys. Horizon. As is. Here we go. And bidder buyer. How much here? Pick up the dealer, guys. Here we go. And bidder buyer 4,000. Now 2. At 4 here. 42.50. I'm at 4 here. Bidder buyer. 2,000. 22.50. I'm at 2,000 here, 250 at 22.50. Where 250 all do $1,000. Let's do that. 12.50. $1,000. 12.50. 1,000 here. 12.50. I'm at 1,000 here. 12.50. I'm at 1,000 here. Who give $1,000 this boat real quick? 500. 600. 600. 500. 600. $600. 500. 600. 600. $600. $600. 500, 600, 600. Anybody else? 600, 500, 600, 600, 600. Next one. All right, here we go. Number 8 here. All right, 21 Sea-Doo. Here we go. A pair of Sea-Doo, guys. Here we go. What did we get here? Sold as a set, guys, as is. What did we get here? And but how much here? 20,000. And now 250. Where would you get 250? I'm at 20 here. 10,000. 250. At 10,000. 250. That's for a pair of them, guys. At 10 here. 21 models. And now 250. 10 here. 250. I'm at 10,000 here. Here we go. 7,000. 72.50. 7, 72.50. At 7 here, 250. I'm at 7,000. 250. I'm at 7,000 here. 250. Where 250. And now 5 here. 75 here. 5 and 77.50. 75, 750. Now 8, 250. And now 5, 85, 750. At 85 here, 750. Now 9 here, 250. I'm at 992.50. And 9,000 I got. 250. Thinking 5, 97.50. And 97.50 here. 750 and 97.50. Now 10 here. 10 250. I got 10,000 250. Now 5. I bet 10 5. 5 here. 5 10 250. Last call. 10 5. I bet 10 250. 5 here. 5. Offer 10 250. Bidder 2426. Thank you. All right, here we go. Number 9 here. 21 Sea-Doo, guys. An individual, guys, as is. No rotation. Here we go. 101 in DMB fee. And bid buyer 3,000. 3,100. At 3,000 here. 3,100. Now 1. I'm at 3,100. Now 1. Now 1. You got the trader too. At 3,200. Where? I'm at 3,100. 2. Where? 2. I'm at 3,100. 2. All through. All down. Now 3. Now 3. I'm at 32. 3. 4. At 34 here. 34. 5. I'm at 34 here. Now 5. 6 here. At 3,600. All through. All done. At and 35 here, get 600, get now 7, and 36 here, 7 a bid, 7 get 7, 36 here, last call, 37, now 8, 38, down 8, now 9, and 39, 9, I'm gonna get now 9, I'm gonna get 9, and 38, 39, last call, anybody else? 38, 39, 9, 4, and now 4 here, get now 1, I'm at 4th, I'm gonna get now 100, I'm gonna get now 1, I'm gonna get 1, I'm at 4th down here, get now 1, I'm gonna get all done, all through, 4,100 and all done, offer 4,000, buyer number 2314, offer. All right, number 10 here. Here's a 22 CDU, guys. Here we go. What did we get for? And bit of 124 DMB fee. And bit of how much here? Start around here. Sold as a set, guys. And here we go. What did we get here? 8,000, 8,200, and 8,250 here. What did we get 8 here? What did we get 250? I'm at 8 here. What did we get 250? Where would we get 250? I'm at 8 here. Gonna go up from here, guys. 8,250. And 8 here. What did we get 250? I'm at 8 here. What did we get 250? Where would we get now 5? At 85, 5, 5, 5, get 5 here, get 5. I got 8250 bid, all done, all through 85, 750. At 85 here, get 750. Now 9, but 9, get 250. I got 9 here, get 250. Where get 250? I'm at 9 here, 250. Thinking now 5, get 750. Now 10. I'm at 10 down here, get 10. Where get 10? And 9750, all done. Now 10, get here we go. And 9750, now 10, 10, 10, get 10 here, get 10. Offer 9750. Back up, offer 97.50, bidder 22.81. Thank you. All right, here we go. Number 11 here. Oh, okay, here we go. Here's a trader, guys. What did we get for? A bit of our Sea-Doo trader, guys. DMB fee 1161 on our guard. Here we go. 300, 400, at $300. What did you get 400? What did you get 4? What did you get 4? I'm at 3 here. At 300, now 4. At 300. What did you get 4? Here, what did you get 4? Where? At 300. What did you get 4? Here, what did you get now 5. At 4 here, what do you do? If I knew that one thing in life, this is it. 500, 600, at 600 here, what do you get 5 here, what do you get 600? I'm at 500 to buy, what do you get 600 to buy, what do you get all in, all done. At 500 to buy, we're gonna put her on an offer now. 600. I got 500 to buy, what do you get 600 buy, what do you get 6 here, what do you get 6? 500, 600, 600, 600. Yes or no, internets? You're clicking. 500, 600. Offer $500. Bidder number 2430. Thank you. All right, here we go. Lot number 4712. Here is a 78 boat. Here we go. As is no attrition. And bit of by get 3,000. Now 1. At 3,100 by get now 1. I'm going to get all done. I'm going to get now 1. At 31, I'm going to get all done. 78 model, guys. 78 was a good year. I was a young man then. And here we go. 2,000. Now 1. I'm at 2,000 here. Now 1. I'm at 2,000 here. Do you get now 1? I'm at 2,000 here. Do you get 2,100 by get $1,000. Now 11, 1,100 by 1,100, 1,100 by 1,100 by 1,100. Anybody get $1,000 this boat? 500, 600. I'll put it on an offer. $600. It includes the trailer. 600, 500, 6, 500, 600, 600, 7, 700, 600, 7, 7. Internet, you got to be a little bit quicker than that. I got a bunch of guys out here that want to get on with this. 600, 700, yes or no? Offer $600. Bidder number 2322. Offer.